Hi and welcome back. Today I am going to a barbecue, so I decided to make a keto-friendly broccoli salad. Now, you know the broccoli salad, everybody has made it. You've probably had it before at other parties or as a side item to any of your meals, but this time I'm making it keto-friendly. Now I will link below the recipe for the regular broccoli salad as well as this broccoli salad. So anyway, it's too hot to be cooking anything, so I thought a side salad to go along with what's going to be at the party would be a great addition. So come on, let's go. Because we're making this keto friendly, the adjustment that I'm making is to the sugar. So the recipe calls for distilled vinegar or white vinegar, bacon pieces, broccoli, of course. We're using Swerve, a sugar replacement. We'll be adding a little bit of garlic powder, some shredded cheddar cheese, part of this onion, and then some mayonnaise. Now, when you make it, if you want to make it that so it's not keto friendly, instead of the sugar replacement, you'll put real sugar in there, and I will link both recipes in the description box below. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and prep the onions. So we'll be chopping this part of the onion up, and it'll be 1/4 cup of onion. So there's about 1/4 cup, and I'll put the rest of this away. Okay, now that the onions are ready, we'll go ahead and get the broccoli ready. I went ahead and I picked up the pre-cut broccoli from the grocery store, and we're supposed to have, where's my measuring cup? We're supposed to have, sorry for the noise, 5 cups of broccoli. However, I am going to cut these down a little bit because these are kind of big. The broccoli salad that I normally would make or eat, the broccoli florets were really small. So that one bag actually makes about 4 cups. So let me go ahead and just make these a little bit smaller so that way they're like bite size or a little bit easier to eat. So I'll continue doing this, and once this is finished, I'll have 5 cups. I'll add 1 more cup to it, and then we'll start mixing the ingredients together. It's too hot to be in the kitchen making things that are hot. So this is a nice refreshing salad. It'll go with anything. Today I think it's going to be barbecued meat. So it'll be a great side salad to go with that. And then even in the evenings, if you're cooking a dinner, this is great to go along with steak, with chicken, pork, whatever it is. All right, let's get some more in here. We just want about another cup. That's probably about another cup. When I was at the grocery store, I didn't know if this was going to be enough. So I asked them to cut me some more. And I probably didn't need that, but that's okay because then I can use this for dinner. the remaining broccoli for dinner. Oh, these are big. All right. Just doing one more look at them to make sure that there aren't any pieces that are super, super big. I think these are good. They're about bite size. Let me trim this off a little bit. All right, so to this, we're going to add, let me just get this out of the way. We're going to add 1 cup of bacon. Now, normally I would, and I'm using these, normally I would make my own bacon, but again, it's so hot outside. I just don't feel like turning on the oven because what I do is I cook the bacon in the oven and just to cut down on this grease in the kitchen. Hold on, I can't get this open. Okay. And honestly, it smells good. Let me taste it. Yeah, it's real bacon. Okay, so we're gonna do a cup. Alrighty, there's a cup. It's gone into that. Next is a cup of cheddar cheese, and this I know is already measured out to a cup. So what I do is I buy the big bags, like the 32-ounce bags of cheddar cheese. It's actually cheaper for you to buy the bigger bags and measure them out and freeze them rather than buying those 8-ounce or the 16-ounce bags that they sell at the grocery store. So we'll go ahead and add that cheese. Okay, that's that. And then the next is the red onions. Okay, so that. Then we're gonna do 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. We need a 1/4 cup of Swerve. And so what I'm gonna do is I'll measure out the Swerve first before I use this for the mayonnaise. Okay, so there's a 1/4 cup. And we want to do 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, so now I know the measurement. So what I'll just do is I'll just take it directly from the jar. Okay, so it'll be about like that. There's 2 and there's 3, a little more for extra measure. I like this salad creamy. Okay, and then the next thing that we need to do is add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. So I need to get my measuring spoons. Hold on. We're doing 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 1 tablespoon. That adds a nice little acidity to it. Oop. All right. And then we want 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now in the past, I don't think I recall ever adding garlic powder. The salad that I always made, which I'll link below, is I just remember it having sugar, vinegar, and the main ingredients, the cheese, the onion, the bacon, and the broccoli. So anyway, this should be interesting. I can't wait to try it. It's always good to try something new, or always play with recipes and make them your own. So now what we need to do, we've added everything to it, and now we just need to mix it. And I'll show you what it looks like in just 1 minute. Oh, it looks like the salad that I always made. So what you'll do is you probably want to make this about 30 minutes prior to the party, or even the night before, or whenever you're going to serve it, because you want all of these flavors to blend together. And you really want the broccoli to get a little bit more tender and to soak up some of these flavors. So let me show you what it looks like. And so that's how it's going to look. And so now I'm just going to place it in the refrigerator and let it cool down. The party's not until tonight, so this will be perfect. I'll set it in I couldn't find a tin bowl, so I just got one of these from the grocery store, and then that way I don't have to deal with finding my dish and bringing it home and having to wash it. So anyway, there you go. So that is the broccoli salad, and I hope you do try it. I hope you enjoy it, and please let me know in the comments if there's anything that you do differently. Now this recipe, I forgot to tell you, this recipe, it also does call for 1/4 cup pecans, but I decided to leave that out. So we'll see how this is. Hey there, I totally forgot to take a picture of the salad, and I just wanted you to know that it was a huge hit. Nobody even realized that it was keto friendly, and the salad was gone. It was gone before all of the other food was gone. I should have probably doubled up, but I didn't know. And so anyway, it was delicious. It was a hit, and I will probably make this whether I'm on keto or not. I'll probably continue making this salad. So I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know if you try it, and tell me how your family liked it.